Adl, justice of God. It means that God is just. He is not a tyrant. Everybody's awards will depend upon his deeds. He who obeys his commands will be awarded a place in paradise, and he who disobeys him will be sent to hell. In this connection, the Quran says,
شهد الله أنه لا إله إلا هو والملائكة وأولو العلم قائما بالقسط لا إله إلا هو العزيز الحكيم.
Allah witnesses that there is no deity except Him, and so do the angels and those of knowledge, that He is maintaining creation in justice. There is no deity except Him, the exalted in might, the wise.
Justice contains two varying meanings. The extensive meaning of justice is to put everything in its place, or in other words, being in balance and equilibrium. This meaning or sense of justice rules over the entire created universe, in the galaxies, within an atom, in the structure of a human being's existence, and in all plants and animals. This is what the famous tradition of the Holy Prophet refers to when he says, "It is by means of justice that all of the heavens and the earth exist." For example, if the powers of attraction and repulsion of the earth lose their sense of balance and one of these two is removed or destroyed, the earth will be drawn towards the sun, set on fire and destroyed, or it will leave its orbit and wander in the endless space of the universe until it is destroyed.